Hey, hey, I'm Mindy Kinnis. This is the Daily Rage. If you thought you had a bad day today, it could always be worse. Imagine being long coffee as of the close yesterday and then waking up today being down over $2,000 per contract just at the very open. This is absolutely bananas. We like shot up here, gap up situation there, up for 2 days. Doji, huge, huge wicks on that guy, straight back down. Then look at this. We closed here last week, gapped up to here Monday, went all the way up here, ended down. Then, as of last night, gapped down and just pushed lower back into the daily cloud. Ouch. I can't believe I used to trade this thing so much. When I started trading futures, coffee was my very first contract. Now I look at this craziness and I'm like, what was I thinking? It can be very lucrative if you're on the right side of it, but if you're not, whoo, watch out. Wanted to let you know that the current Apex Trader funding sale of 80% off evaluation that includes 1 data pass and just $40 for those bigger evaluation accounts does end in 1 day and 7 hours from this recording. So if you want to get a new evaluation or evaluations, now is the time to do so. As many of you know, Apex often has sales, so who knows what they will offer next, but at least this one is a pretty sweet deal with that $40 total for those bigger accounts. So go ahead and lock that in prior to the deadline. There's a link and coupon code for you down below if you need either of those. I'm Mindy Kinnis. Thanks so much for watching.